Hi there and welcome to this video. Today I'll show you how to reset Microsoft Teams on Windows 11. Go to the Windows search bar, type in Settings, open it, and then select Apps from the left menu. Go to the search bar and type in Teams. Then click on the three dots on the right side and choose Advanced Options. On this page, scroll down to the Reset button. Start by choosing Repair, and if that doesn't help, select Reset. This will not delete your chats, your Teams, or any personal content. For this tutorial, we'll go ahead and click Reset. Give it a moment. Teams will shut down in the background and complete the app reset. Once you see the little check mark by the Reset button, just close the Settings window and relaunch Teams. After restarting Teams, it could sign you in automatically. Otherwise, type in your login details and you're ready to go. For organizational accounts, this process might take a few minutes. And that's how it's done. Drop a comment if you found this useful, hit the like button, and subscribe to stay tuned for more helpful guides.